Hey, so today we are out in Wessinger Farm subdivision in Chapin, South Carolina, and we're gonna be doing a tour of a model home by Eastwood Homes called the Drexel. This home is being built all throughout Richland and Lexington counties, so I wanted to go ahead and take you through this home and show you all it has to offer. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Shaun Nichols. I'm a real estate agent in the Columbia and Richland County areas. So you can always reach out to me if you have any questions. That being said, let's get into the video. Welcome to the Drexel by Eastwood Homes. This home is a 2-story, 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath home with a formal living room, formal dining room, kitchen with island and walk-in pantry, and a spacious family room. The second floor features the owner's suite, 3 additional bedrooms, and a laundry room and loft area. You can customize this home with a screened-in porch or a sunroom, optional first-floor laundry room, office with French doors in lieu of the formal living room, an additional upstairs bathroom or Jack and Jill bathrooms, and an optional 3rd floor with bonus room, bedroom, and bathroom. Pricing and availability vary by community, so check out the link in the description for more details. Hey, so what did you think of the Drexel? I love Eastwood Homes for their quality construction, and I love their use of shiplap throughout homes. That's always one of my favorite signature features that they have. I've actually got a really good working relationship with them. So if you like this home, I'll go ahead and put a link to the layout of this home in the description so that you can go ahead and take a look at that. And I would love to leverage my relationship with this builder to get you the best deal possible on a home and provide you with the smoothest transaction. So I'll go ahead and put my name and number above. Feel free to call or text that number anytime. We can schedule an in-person showing, or I can go ahead and introduce you to these builders and help get you a better deal. My name is Shaun Nichols with eXp Realty. Oh, and check out the video that's on screen now. YouTube thinks you might enjoy this video next. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye for now.